For years, video editing has worked very differently from image editing. Images can be changed directly, objects replaced, backgrounds removed, composition adjusted, all without rebuilding the entire file. Video, on the other hand, still relies on timelines, cuts, and manual fixes for even small changes. Seedance 2.0 is designed to close that gap. With Seedance 2.0, video editing now works like image editing. You don't cut timelines or manually edit frames. You describe the change in text. Seedance 2.0 is live on Pippit's Video Agent. Edit any part of your video with text instantly. Say the change, see the change. On Pippit, you can use multiple reference inputs simultaneously. You can guide different parts of the video, like the subject, visual style, background, or movement, using separate references. Instead of layering assets manually, you describe how each reference should be applied, and Seedance handles the integration in a single step. You can replace a specific object inside a video using text. The rest of the scene remains unchanged, without the need for reshooting or manual compositing. This allows precise updates without rebuilding the entire edit. Seedance also supports changing environments while keeping the main subject intact. Backgrounds can be replaced or updated through text instructions, without green screens or masking workflows. Framing and composition can be adjusted directly using text. This includes reframing shots, changing aspect ratios, or repositioning subjects, all without editing the original footage or creating new cuts. Unwanted elements can be removed from a video by describing what should be taken out. There's no need for frame-by-frame cleanup or manual masking. The video updates while preserving the rest of the scene. Seedance allows camera movement to be controlled through text. Actions like pans, zooms, or angle changes can be applied without physical camera rigs or timeline animation. This workflow isn't about simplifying video for beginners. It's about giving professionals a faster way to explore ideas and handle revisions. Less reshooting, faster iteration, and more time focused on creative decisions instead of technical work. Seedance 2.0 is fully integrated into Pippit's Video Agent, enabling a text-driven workflow designed for professional video creation. If you're interested in where video editing is heading, like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching!